no matter where I am, on what floor or where in the hospital, I feel important and that no matter who I could turn to, they are there if I need them.
They gave me tons of encouragement and really motivated me to tackle this thing right away.
The nurses and the doctors and all the staff are not just professionals, but they have a real personal interest in everyone.
As soon as I checked in at Lakewood, I felt like I was the only patient to my nurses. They were incredible.
Lakewood is as invested as we were as being successful, and truly an incredible experience.
I think I owe Lakewood Health System a huge thank you for what they've done for me. About a year ago, I was in for just a regular physical, and it was during that physical that I learned that I was diabetic, actually quite diabetic. When my physician's assistant who was doing it discovered this, I really didn't even have a lot of symptoms. There wasn't anything that I was feeling or anything, so she caught it early, and about the same time that I was diagnosed, I had a brother who was diagnosed with the same thing, type 2 diabetes. I've got 4 brothers, and the 5 of us are just super close. And so when the same thing happened to him, we dialogued quite a bit. And I'm afraid that he didn't get the encouragement from his healthcare system that I did from Lakewood. In fact, I think he kind of gave up and thought that there's really nothing you can eat, you're just gonna have this and there's nothing you can do to change it, whereas I got a completely different message from the folks at Lakewood. My brother is a very young man, wasn't even 59 yet. Last November, I preached at his funeral. So in many ways, I feel like Lakewood saved my life. The way that the PA handled it, the way that the diabetic counselors handled it afterwards was just awesome. They gave me tons of encouragement and really motivated me to tackle this thing right away. With their help, man, I immediately began to lose weight, ate completely differently, and significantly changed all of my numbers. In fact, now a year later, all the numbers are exactly where they should be. So it was really encouraging. Living with diabetes has not been as hard as I've heard, and probably because the kind of encouragement that I've gotten. It's not something that my brother benefited from, or his widow and his kids. I feel like Lakewood in many ways has saved my life. They've certainly extended it, and I'll be forever grateful to them for that.